10th class. Now we will talk about corrosion. Okay, active metal like zinc, aluminium, iron get react with oxygen and moisturizer and converted into their respective compound, whether it is oxide. Okay, this process is known as corrosion. To understand the corrosion, what we have to do, we are taking 3 test tube here, 1, 2 and 3. That test tube is measured as A, B and C. Put 3-4 alpines in test tube A, B and C. Okay, 3-4 alpines you have to put in test tube A, B and C. Add a little amount of water in test tube A. Okay, and covered with the balloon. Covered this test tube with the balloon. In second test tube, you just take a moist cotton with alpines, and in third test tube there is a dried alpine. Neither here it is moist nor water. Now see the result. Obviously, the alpine which is inside the water will get corrosionated. The moist cotton will also get corrosionated, but the dry pins will not corrosionated. So the corrosion occur because of presence of oxygen and moisturizer. Not only oxygen and moisturizer, but also in presence of acids. Acid is also the cause of corrosion, and some salts is also the cause of corrosion. Okay, so this you have to do in practical. Just now I am showing in the theory portion. If we will come into the lab, I will show in the form of practical also. Okay. Now we try to understand the process of corrosion through electrochemical cell. Okay, electrochemical cell, or it is also known as corrosion cell. When a metal like iron, this is iron metal, placed in humid condition, then negative and positive charged region develop. Negative and positive charged region develop. This is positive charge. It means obviously it is anode, and here it is negative charge, so it is cathode. And this whole atmosphere having humid is behave like a electrolyte. Now what is happening at cathode and anode? In anode, Fe get converted itself. In anode, Fe get converted itself into Fe dipositive and release 2 electron. What will happen with this 2 electron? This 2 electron will taken by 1 mole of water. So 2 mole of water will take 4 electron. Okay. So reaction will happen at cathode. This is 2 mole H2O plus oxygen, means moist and oxygen, plus 4 electron, and it get converted itself into the 4OH negative ion. Now this OH will get react with this iron and form iron hydroxide, FeOH whole twice. And this iron hydroxide, okay, iron hydroxide come into the contact of oxygen and atmospheric oxygen and converted itself FeOH whole thrice with half mole oxygen, and moist converted itself into Fe2O3 and X mole of water. This is known as, this iron oxide is known as rust, and this process is known as rusting. This is pure part of iron get converted into Fe dipositive ion, and it come into the contact of negative ion, means cathode. It convert itself into the ferric hydroxide. This ferric hydroxide get converted with oxygen and water, ferric oxide, and this ferric oxide is considered as a rust, and the process is known as rusting of iron. If you want to prevent rust, you can polish it through the grease, you can paint iron, you can oil it. So there are so many fundamental things to prevent rusting of iron. You can coated it with electroplating process, so you can prevent the corrosion. This is the end of the chapter. You have to read a list of alloys a list of alloy you have to prepare yourself. It is Hindi medium book, you just do this from English medium book, and then we will start the new one. Okay.